Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Vora from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for January 8th, 2020. Let's take a quick look at how the markets finished off today. Well, compared to what the futures were looking like overnight, today was a great day. We saw stocks recover. We actually saw a rally into the afternoon after Trump announced sanctions against Iran and put everyone at ease with the situation in the Middle East. But we did close off the high, but still a very, very strong finish for equities. The Dow was higher by 161 points. The S&P 500 added 15 points. The Nasdaq higher by 60 points, and the Russell 2000 gaining another 5 points. The bond market did pull back, and the yield on the 10-year note now sits at 1.878%. Crude oil pulled back a little over $3 or almost 5% during the regular session. It is a little higher now, while gold was lower by about 6 points today, and the dollar continued to climb. Apple looks absolutely unstoppable here, sitting at a fresh new all-time high. It has more than doubled in the past year, and today we found out that their App Store sales over the holiday period increased 16%. Sales of their Airpods are supposed to come in much better than expected, and the stock just continues to look great here. Strong trend, strong momentum. We see this across the daily, the weekly, the monthly time frames. New highs, no resistance overhead. The stock looks fantastic. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.